back to Kids Cooking Crafts. I'm Ava, and today I'll be showing you 5 different ways to dazzle up your plain phone cases. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which one of these phone cases you would make. I got these phone cases for really cheap, and they're see-through. I can see you. For our first phone case, you will need an adorable card. Found this with my mom's envelopes and cards. See, it's a pretty card. We are going to use the flowers on the front. So first things first, we're gonna cut it right where the crease is, right in half. The line doesn't need to be perfect. And then we're gonna put the phone case onto the paper with the flower side down. And we're gonna trace out all the little holes and the sides of the phone. I've already done this in my spare time, but I'll show you how to do it really quick. First, take your pencil and then just go like that. And then you wanna do it with the outside. Just like this. Ta-da! Let's cut it out. I'm gonna use scissors for the outside and an X-Acto knife for the middle. Now let's do the X-Acto knife. You don't have to push really hard because an X-Acto knife is very sharp. See, it's the same size as my phone case. Let's pop it in. Look how cute this is gonna be. Oh, it's gonna be so adorable. I can't wait till it's finished. All right, moving on. So I want a little bit of blue on the bottom and the top of my phone case. So I'm just gonna put some tape right here to mark where my line is gonna be. And this will also help my line be super straight. Okay. I'm gonna be using fingernail polish to paint the bottom and the top. How cool is that? I saw Sarah Beauty's Corner video where she used this on her phone case. It was so cool. Go check it out. Okay, and then I'm just gonna paint a line. Make sure my thing is straight. There. All right, paint a line. We're gonna have to do 2 coats. We want this layer to be super thick. Time for the second layer. Ooh, now it's really starting to look good. All right, let's let that dry. Phone case number 2. DIY candy phone case. Boom. What you need is a Skittles bag. I love these sour ones. They're my favorite. So you're gonna want to flip the package over and lift up this little flabby part. That sounds wrong. You want to make sure that you're opening it in the back, just like this. So just cut it right down there. And then you want to cut it straight up the middle. And then go all the way down. Now we're gonna eat all of the candies by yourself. Just joking, put it in the bowl. Look at all those Skittles. Make sure that all the candy is out of the bag. That's a lot out than I thought it would be. Alright, so I'm just cutting off the little tab off of the Skittles bag and open it wide just like this. So now we're just gonna flip it over and do the same process as the other one. Ta-da! Time to put it into our phone case. Okay, just put it in there just like that, squeeze. Now all we have to do is put in the phone. There we go. Skittles phone protector. Taste the rainbow.
Hey BFF, so I was wondering if you wanted to come to the party with me. Yay!
Don't forget to bring some Skittles.
LOL.
Hashtag love you. Phone case number 3, 4, and 5 are all the same as the Skittles, except they're different candies. Let's do this thing. Okay, our paint is all dry. Now all we have to do is peel off the tape. Whoa, that's cool. Let's put it on the phone. Oh yeah, this is so cute. Wow, I think this might be my new favorite phone case. Now to really personalize this phone case, I'm gonna put the letter A on it for Ava. I'm gonna use these rhinestones to stick it on. Yay! This is the cutest phone case ever. This is so adorable. And I love the texture of it. What letter would you put on your phone? Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for making these adorable, cute phone cases with me. And comment down below which one is your favorite. Flower paper or candy wrappers. If you like this video, you might also like our DIY pop socket video, which you can watch right here. Go check it out. It's really cool. Now, I got some texting to catch up on. See you later. Bye. LOL.